coding. It sounds complicated, right? Like a secret language only geniuses understand. But guess what? It's not that scary. Coding is simply the way we talk to computers. It's how we tell them what to do. Think of it like this. Computers are like dogs. They're smart, but they need instructions. Coding is like teaching your dog tricks. You use special commands and the dog learns to do amazing things. With code we create websites, apps, games, and so much more. It's the invisible force behind everything digital. From your smartphone to self-driving cars, code is everywhere. Ready to learn the language of the future? Let's dive in. In today's world, technology is king. And guess what powers technology? You got it, code. Learning to code is like having a superpower in the digital age. First, it opens up a world of job opportunities. Software developers are in high demand, and the need for skilled coders is only growing. But it's not just about jobs. Coding teaches you problem-solving skills, creativity, and logical thinking. These skills are valuable in any profession, not just tech. Plus, it's incredibly empowering to build your own things. Imagine creating your own website, your own game, or even your own app. With coding, the possibilities are endless. Just like we have different languages to communicate with each other, computers have different programming languages. Each language has its own set of rules and ways of doing things. Don't worry, you don't need to learn them all. We'll focus on a few popular ones to get you started. We'll explore Python, a beginner-friendly language perfect for data science and automation. Then we'll look at JavaScript, the language that makes websites interactive and fun. And finally, we'll learn about HTML and CSS, the building blocks of the web. Each language is like a different tool in your coding toolbox. Ready to see what they can do? Python is like the friendly dog of programming languages. It's easy to learn and understand, making it perfect for beginners. Python is used for all sorts of cool things like analyzing data, building websites, and even creating artificial intelligence. Let's look at a simple example. Print, hello world. This one line of code tells the computer to display the text hello world on the screen. See? Not so scary. Python's simple syntax and vast libraries make it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. Section 5 JavaScript breathing life into websites. Ever wondered how websites have those cool animations, interactive maps, and dynamic content? That's where JavaScript comes in. JavaScript is the language that makes websites come alive. It allows you to add interactivity, animations, and other dynamic features to your web pages. Here's a simple example. Alert, welcome to my website. This code will make a pop-up box appear on the website, greeting the visitor with the message, welcome to my website. JavaScript is a must-learn for anyone looking to create engaging and interactive web experiences. Section 6, HTML and CSS, building the web, brick by brick. Imagine building a house. HTML is like the bricks and mortar, creating the basic structure of the house. CSS is like the paint and decorations, making it look beautiful. HTML, or hypertext markup language, is used to create the structure and content of a web page. It tells the browser what to display and how to organize it. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is used to style the elements of a web page. It controls things like colors, fonts, layout, and responsiveness. Together, HTML and CSS form the foundation of web development. Section 7. Your first steps into the coding universe. Ready to start your coding journey? Here are a few simple steps to get you started. 1. Choose a language. Start with one language like Python or JavaScript. Don't try to learn everything at once. 2. Find online resources. There are tons of free websites and apps that teach coding. 3. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to learn is by doing. Start with small projects and gradually work your way up. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Section 8. The Journey of 1,000 Lines. Tips for continued learning. Learning to code is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to discover and master. Here are a few tips to keep you going. 1. Be patient and persistent. Coding can be challenging at times, but don't give up. Celebrate your progress and learn from your mistakes. 2. Join online communities. Connect with other learners and experienced developers. Ask questions, share your work, and get inspired. 3. Never stop exploring. The world of coding is constantly evolving. Embrace new technologies and keep your skills sharp. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process. Coding is a powerful tool for creativity and problem solving. Have fun with it. Section 9. Resources to fuel your coding journey. Ready to dive deeper into the world of coding? Here are some fantastic resources to help you on your journey. Code Academy Interactive Coding Tutorials for Beginners. Free Code Camp. Free coding bootcamp with real-world projects. Khan Academy free online courses on various computer science topics. W3 Schools. Comprehensive tutorials and references for web development. Stack Overflow, a question and answer website for programmers. These resources provide a wealth of information and support for learners of all levels. So what are you waiting for? Start coding today.